Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to swap and bridge in Phantom. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application, and then you just have to log in into your account first. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this arrow icon in the middle. Once you do this, you will be landed on this swap page, where in the top right hand corner of the screen you are going to see this filtered icon. So you just have to tap on it, and from here you can select your slippage settings. So what is slippage setting? So your transaction will fail if the price changes more than the slippage. The recommended default is 0.3%. Too high of a value will result in an unfavorable trade. So if you want to increase or decrease this range, then you can select it, or if you want to give your own slippage, then tap on the custom option, and after that you just have to confirm it. Now you can start the swapping process over here. For that, you need to tap on this top arrow button in the top, and among the given assets you just have to select the asset that you want. After that, you just have to tap on the select token button, and then from this list you can select any of the tokens that you want based on Solana network. If you want the tokens based on Ethereum network, then you simply need to tap on Ethereum. If you want to get the Polygon networks token, then tap on the Polygon network. Now after selecting the token, you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to swap. After that, it will show you the equivalent amount of USDT that you are going to get. Also, you will be able to see a bunch of other information relating to this swap. So you can tap on the providers option and the best price option, and you can review the information. Now once everything is correct, you just have to click on the review order button. Then on the next page you just have to confirm your swapping, and you just have to confirm your transaction. This way you will be able to swap on Phantom Wallet. Now if you want to bridge on Phantom Wallet, then unfortunately now they have removed that feature from their Phantom Wallet account. So in order to do this, what you can do is you can simply tap on this browser button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and after that you can go to portalbridge.com. From there you can start the bridging process. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.